Do you truly love? Valentine's Day reminds us for the power of love. Love for yourself, for the people closest to you, and for the life you are building for them. But love isn't just about words or gestures once a year. It's about the care we show every single day through our actions, attention, and choices. Yes, when you truly love yourself and your family, focusing on their well-being becomes the greatest gift. That's why today we are offering something special, a choice that adds value to your daily life. Kangen Water, yes, a gift that makes every day much more special. With Kangen Water, you can improve the quality of water in your home, provide your family with the best possible care through water, add something unique and valuable to your everyday routine. And the good news is we offer flexible payment plans, so there is no need to pay upfront. Yes, it is true. Give care and love that's felt every day. Reach out to us, to me, Antoaneta, for more information and make this year unforgettable for you and your loved ones. Yes, love, care, give. Get in touch with me. I'll see you soon.